Hello everyone, this is Castro. This is the first video on installing AmpStack on a Mac, which I'll start with Apache. This would be very useful for those who have Mac machines and are taking the application development module at LSBU. But the content is publicly available, so everybody else can also benefit if they want to install AmpStack. In this video, I specifically will talk about Apache, the web server. But before that, I would like to have an overview of web request handling. So you see three components on the right and a personal computer on the left. It can be a PC, it can be a Mac, it can be a mobile phone, whatever client that simply has a web browser to browse the web or browse other servers would be enough. So what happens when you enter a HTML request when you enter a URL on your browser? An HTML request will be created and sent to your Apache server. Then Apache will send it to the PHP. PHP may or may not need to communicate with database to fetch, update, delete, or change any data. Then MySQL will reply back to the PHP, and PHP component will send it back to Apache. And Apache will respond that back to your personal machine. Okay, now talking about installing Apache, the good news is macOS comes with an Apache and PHP already installed. But from after Mountain Lion version of the macOS, you have to start it from the command prompt. So please open a command prompt. Try to enlarge the text and fonts. Okay. And open, enter the command sudo ctl, Apache control, Apache ctl, and then the command start. And your sudo password. Now, so in my case, my server was already loaded, but you can check if it works by just going to your local host. Yeah, so I'll try to open the source page. You can see it's a very simple HTML page. Same way you can stop the service and check, refreshing this page, check that localhost is not accessible anymore. Sorry. Yeah, localhost is not accessible anymore. I'll try to check the version of my server. It's 2.4.41, and this is the date that the software was built. Yeah, that's it. I hope that this video was informative enough, and I will speak about the rest of our installation in the next videos. Thanks for watching.